So let's have a quick glance what we have covered so far, and then we will start solving some numericals or some sets based on the coins. So we solved, yeah, I have already met somebody. So coin game, last one picks. If last pick lose, then CF. First lesson is CF. We need to calculate 6 losing series. If it's lose, it will be 6k plus 1. So likewise it will go. If it's 2, then it will be 9k plus 1, 9k plus 2. Again, if you last pick win, then the thing will be same, only CF we need to calculate, that is again minimum plus maximum. Yeah, in this case CF will be 4 plus 2, 6, and the losing series will be 6k, and then 6k minus 1. It will go in the negative direction. Yeah, as given in the example. So we have solved quite some question. So let's try to solve this set. Okay. Let's read. There are some coins on the table. Krishna and Arjun turns to pick coins. Okay, so solution of one. There are two players, Krishna and Arjun. Each player has to pick minimum of 4 coins minimum and a maximum of 6 coins in a turn. So this line tells us the coin will be picked in this order. Great. However, if less than 4 coins are left on the table, then the last person will have to pick it all. Great. The person who picks the last coin loses the game, and they play smartly with intelligence of winning the game. Okay, the same thing which I was repeating, that they both are smart. So the first question is, Krishna started the game with 15 coins. So on the table there are 15 coins. Then what cannot be the number of coins picked by the loser in the last round? So the question is not about the first or anything. Question is about what cannot be number of coins picked by the loser in the last round. Great. So we will still try to find the if you want to get the knowledge about the loser, so we have to find out the losing series. So for that we will do the same thing. CF is 4 plus 6, that is 10. Losing series will be again, let's read. We have already read the question. It was here, who picked the last loses. So losing series will be 10k plus 1, 10k plus 2, 10k plus 3, 10k plus 4. This will be our losing series. Okay, so if Arjun started the game, okay, so if it is Arjun and Krishna, Arjun started the game, and it is being said that if Arjun will start, he will strategize whatever, I'm not good at pronouncing in this word. He will use the strategy such that he should win. So he want to bring Krishna on these losing series, correct? So if there are 15 coins, and the question is, what cannot be the number of coins picked up by the loser in the last round? Okay, so let's just start. If 15 coins is there, so Arjun will want that Krishna should nearest will be Krishna should come at 11, Krishna should come at 12, Krishna should come at 13, Krishna should come at 14, and here is Arjun. So can Arjun take one coin? Then we will say no, Arjun can't take, because the minimum Arjun should pick is 4. Is it possible that Arjun can bring Krishna on 13? Then again no, because the difference is how many? 2. Here the difference is 3, here the difference is 4. So if you see correctly, then these 3 cases are not even possible. So in the first round, what will happen? Of the 15 coins that was already on the table, 15 coins, 4 coins Arjun will pick. Then there are 11 coins left. Let me just make some place for here. 11 coins are there. Now what will happen? What will happen now? In the next round, or let's just write 11 coins are there now. Okay, 11 coins are there, and it is turn of Krishna to pick. Krishna will pick here, then Arjun, and then Krishna. And we know that last one will pick loose, so we're going to find the answer over here only, in this much. So if this is the case, let's take any example like Krishna can pick anything. There is a possibility between 4 to 6. So 4, 5, 6. If Krishna pick 4, how many are left on the table? On the table, if it picks 4, 7 is left. If it picks 5, 6 is left. If it picks 6, 5 is left. Okay, then what Arjun will say, 7 is left. So let's start from here. What Arjun can do? Arjun can do 4 coin. Arjun will pick 4 coin. Okay, Arjun will pick 4 coin, and then 1 coin is left, which Krishna has to pick, because according to the rule, if there is less than 4 coins, then that person has to pick up all the coins. So that is also possible here. Arjun can either pick or 4 or 5. So Krishna need to pick either 1 or 2. Here also Arjun can do 4, 5 and 6. Anything Arjun can do. And similarly, what Krishna has to pick either 1, 2 or 3. Okay. So what cannot be the number of coins picked up by the loser in the last round? So loser cannot pick 4. We have already seen this, and till now loser is choosing only 1, 2 and 1. There is no possibility for loser to choose 4. So for the first, the answer will be 4. So the first question is done. The answer is 4. Done. Okay. So let's read the next question in the continuation of the same one. Arjun started the game and there were n coins on the table. So I don't know how many coins are there. N coins are there, and it was Arjun who started the game. So for what value of n will he be sure to win the game? And there are some values given. So what should be the value of n such that it will be possible for Arjun to win the game? So again, let's just little bit write the answers. Number 2, like for what are the rules? Last pick lose. Okay, and now it is written that there are n coins, n which we don't know, and n could be from the option. It is written that either n could be 102, 103, 104, or it could be 105. So we need to find what could be the possibility. So first thing first, again the same thing, CF. First step CF is 4 plus 6, that is 10, and losing series nothing but 10k plus 1, 10k plus 2, 10k plus 3, 10k plus 4. And in the question it is also given that Arjun started the game. So let's try to understand a little bit what does this mean. That if Arjun start the games, and then Arjun will want Shyam, the sorry, Krishna. Arjun want Krishna to be in these positions. Okay, so nearest to this digit, if I try to find what could be it, 10k plus 1, 10k plus 2, 10k plus 3, 10k plus 4. If k is 100, then it will be 101, 102, 103, 104. Okay. So if Arjun starts the game, he wants Krishna to be on these numbers, these coins in front of Krishna. This many should be the coins. So is it possible? See, for 102 he cannot bring to anything, so this is not possible. Let's just cross it. 103 is itself a losing number, so this is also not possible. 100 is 4 also losing number. So with us only option left is 105, and we can say 105 is correct. But then someone will ask me, okay, how many coins he should pick to make sure that he will going to win. So if 105 coins are there on the table, and we know that 101, 102, 103, 104, these are the losing series. So what he can do, he also let me just bring it more closer. So what he can do, he can either pick 4 coins, he can either pick 3 coin, he can either pick 2 coin, he can either pick 1 coin. But again, there is a restriction on the question that he cannot pick, he should pick between 4 and 6. Not possible. So only this is possible. So what Arjun will do, if there are 105 coins, Arjun will pick 4 coin in the beginning, and then Krishna will be coming on 101, which is nothing but a losing series. So the answer of our next question is 105. Okay, so let's solve the next question in the continuation of the same one. In the game started with Krishna, and there were only n coins on the table. So now game is started by Krishna and n coins on the table. We can just write it somewhere. Third question, Krishna starts with n coin on table. Let's continue the same question. Krishna starts and there are n coins on the table. What is the maximum value of n such that, this is the condition now, such that 8 n should be less than 8 and greater than 20, and Krishna definitely win the game. So maximum value of n, what is the maximum value of n? So the question is that 8 and 20. So the question is, what is the maximum value of n, and we have to find the maximum value of n. Okay, such that Krishna will definitely going to win. And read nicely, this n is not this one, so don't get confused here. Okay, because in the question it's already been said that Krishna start the game with n coins. So this n is nothing but here, this is number of coins, and we have given the restriction that number of coins is between 8 and 20. It cannot be 8. Okay, this is not less than equal to, the question is only less than. Okay, so if for the sake of like we don't want to have confusion, so we will just choose the same thing over here, 6. Okay, so if Krishna starts Again the same thing which I'm going to repeat again. CF is what? 4 plus 6, this is nothing but 10. Losing series. Next time, from the next time, I'm not going to repeat the same thing. 10k plus 1, 10k plus 2, 10k plus 3, 10k plus 4. So the thing is, Krishna starts the game, and of course Krishna want to win. Krishna definitely want to win the game. So if Krishna starts the game, then losing series near to this value, what could be? It could be either 11, it could be 12, it could be 13, it could be 14. So Krishna wants, because Krishna is going to win, so Krishna wants Arjun to have these numbers. Okay, here we don't know how many are here, and it's the chance of Krishna. So tell me, and the question is asking what is the maximum value of n. So what is the maximum value? What could be the max? What he should pick? Okay, he can pick between 4 and 6. So we can just understand this question in the concept that if this is maximum, okay, maximum minus minimum or anything you will take, if you remove it, maximum, any value, maximum, if you remove here minimum, then you will get a value maximum, correct? But if you remove here maximum, then you will get the minimum value, correct? So to find the maximum value, what we can do is maximum plus minimum, maximum plus minimum. So maximum of here is 4, minimum is 4, 14, 14, it will be 18. Okay, okay, to find the maximum value, what we have to do? Maximum value, we have to take maximum of here and maximum of here. So maximum of here is what? 14. Maximum of here is what? 6. It will be 20. So answer should be 20. But again, as I said, the question is less than 20. 20 we cannot include. So what are the different possibility? If not 6, we will just take either 5, it will be 19, or there are many ways we can bring this 19, 13 plus 6 also 19. So the answer of this question will be 19. So this set is done. Now we will set the next set. So in the continuation, let's solve the next question. Next question is what? Kushal and Shreya were playing the game involving picking up the coins from a table. Each player in his turn was to pick a minimum of 2 and a maximum of 6 coins. So as we are getting the information, let's pen it down. So 2 player Kushal and Shreya. So Kushal and Shreya playing, and the rule is minimum of 2 they have to pick, and the maximum of 6 coins. Okay, let's let's continue. Except when there is only one coin left, in which case he or she has to pick that coin, which we already know. The game continues till all the coins are removed from the table. Okay, assume that both players are playing intelligently so as to win the game. Okay, so till here done. For question number 1 to 3, assume that player who picks the last coin loses the game. So question number 1 till 3, okay, we have to focus on last pick lose. So these 3 questions are already written there. Let's read one by one. If the game starts with 60 coins, so again we got our crucial information. If there are 60 coins, if there are 60 coins and it's Kushal turn to pick first. Okay, Kushal will start. In how many coins should he, or then how many coins he should pick up so as to ensure his, here I have ensure his win. So Kushal starts and Kushal want to win the game. So who will start the match or game? Kushal starts. He will starts. And the question is asking how many he should pick up so as to ensure his win. So again the same concept. First step is what? Calculate CF6 is what? 2 plus 6, 8. Losing series, what it will be? Again losing series, last pick lose, so it will look like 8k minus 1, then 8k minus 2. Again till these 3 question I solved, I'm not going to use again. I'm not going to write it down again because we have already calculated on what is CF and what is the losing series. Okay, moving on ahead. If there are 60 coins, what could be the nearest to this one? So we know that 8 8 64, so 64 minus 1 is 63, or minus 2 is 62. There are only 60 coins, we cannot make it 62 coins, so we will go with 7. So 8k minus 1, 8k minus 2. If we take k equal to 7, so what will be the value? 56 minus 1 sorry 55, and here it will be 54. Okay, sorry, I made a mistake. It should be plus 1. Losing, and if winning then 8k minus 1. Okay, this type of mistakes we should avoid to do. 8k plus, let's correct. So as I already said these things it's important. Okay, we should always remember. Silly mistake, it always invites silly mistake possible, actually possibility, but yeah, silly mistake possibility, we will always remember this. Let's highlight also. So silly mistake is possible. So again then, if yeah, it was correct though. If k is 7, then this value will going to change. What will be value? 56, then 57, then it will be 58. Again, why not 8? It's 64 plus 1, 65, and then 66, which we don't even have coins. So if you see nicely, then what does it actually tells us? That we have 60 coin. Okay, and the first person either could bring the second one at 57, or either he could bring at 58. Okay, these two are possibility. So how much he need to take for him? Either he will take out 3 coin, or for him he will take 2 coin. Okay, and according to the rule, he can pick 2 coins at least. So 2 coin, 3 coin is already in the his chance. So let's see what are the option. 2 coin yes, 3 coin yes, 4 not possible, either 2 or 3 yes. This will be the answer. So answer is either 2 or 3. Okay, this one done. Let's solve the next question. So which of the following can be the number of coins on the table? So now the question is about the number of coins, which is not specified. Before Kushal turns to play, if it is known that Shreya would win the game, no matter how many coins Kushal plays. So this is a very good question, and like it's hard for anyone to understand the grammatical portion. Sometimes it might be confusing. So let's read again the question to understand much better. Which of the following can be number of coins on the table? So n is the coin, and it is asking what are the possible value from the options. And before Kushal turns to play, okay, before Kushal turns to play, if it is known that, okay, if it is known that Shreya would win the game, no matter how many coins Kushal picks. So what I can analyze that first thing is Shreya is going to win. Shreya is winner. First thing is this one. Again, read again. Which of the following can be number of coins on the table before Kushal turns to play? So coins are there, and then what is happening? Kushal is trying to win the game. Okay. So what actually this means is which of the following can be number of coins on the table before Kushal's turn to play, if it is known that Shreya would win the game no matter how many coins Kushal picks. So even though if we understand the same condition and coins are there, then Kushal picks. So it is said that no matter how many coins Kushal picks, okay, no matter how many coins Kushal picks, Shreya will surely going to win. This statement, if you read again and again, you will come to know that game will be started by Kushal, but doesn't matter what Kushal do, he will surely going to lose. Okay, so second question is something like this, and again in the continuity of this first wala, in the continuity of this question, that 1 to 3 last coin loses the game. So let's use the same approach. So losing series, as I already written, losing series is 8k plus 1 and 8k plus 2. So what will make sure that even though Kushal is starting the game, he's surely going to lose? So only thing is when he's already at the losing series. This is the only possibility. When the person which is starting the game, no matter what he's doing, if he already on the losing series, he's surely going to lose. So we'll just have to find which of these number are in the form of 8k plus 1 or 8k plus 2. So let's write all the options over here. So first option is 64, second is 52, third is 97. Let's check. It is in the form of 8k, it is 48, so it will be in the form of 8k plus 4. So yeah, let's just cross it. This is not possible, this is not possible, because this is not on the losing series. 97, so it will be 80 plus 16, so 12 or 12 into 8, we can write it at 12 into 8 plus 1, or 8k plus 1. So only 97 is a number which is already on the losing series. So if 97 coins are there on the table, no matter what Kushal do, Kushal is surely going to lose. So the answer for this question is 97. Okay, so last question of the series, let's try to read it. If the number of coins on the table picked up in Shreya's turn, okay, if the number of coins to be picked up in Shreya's turn, number of coins is picked so as to win the game no matter what Kushal picks, is 5. Then which of the following could be number? This is also a tricky question, or grammatical, and people might do mistake. If the number of coins picked up by Shreya, so question is asking number of coins picked up by Shreya's turn so as to win the game no matter what Kushal pick. Okay, so we have to understand that this 5 is not about Kushal, this 5 is about Shreya. Okay, if the number of coins picked up in Shreya's turn so as to win the game is, this one is like, just if you remove it and then try to read, yeah, remove it, then try to read. If the number of coins to be picked up in Shreya's turn is 5, okay, and then one more condition is added in between to confuse. Okay, and it's not like this statement is not useful, this statement is also useful, but we don't have to get confused. If the number of coins to be picked up in Shreya's turn is 5 so as to win the game no matter what Kushal picks. Okay, so this is the question. Then the which of the following could be the number of coins on the table? So we don't know how many so according to the question, third number, we don't know how many coins are on the table. Okay, and it is said that the number of coins picked up in Siraj's turn so as to win the game no matter what Kushal picks is 5. So Shreya is picking 5, so Shreya is winning, Shreya will win. Okay, and C is picking 5. Okay, C is picking 5, no doubt till here. Okay, let's try to again understand. If number of coins pick up this in Shreya's turn so as to win the game no matter what Kushal picks is 5, then which of the following could be the number of coins on the table? Let's take all the value. So suppose there are 38 coins, or all the options 50, the last question is 77. Okay, so what is happening? Shreya is picking up her coin, remove 5, Shreya pick up her coin 5, how many will be left? And we know that Shreya will pick up the coin, then no matter what Kushal do, he will surely going to lose. So here left 32, here left 45, here left 72. Okay, so this is what these coins are left with Kushal, and we know that Kushal is on, he will going to lose, so which means indirectly Kushal is on the losing series. Let's check if these numbers are on the losing series. So it will be 8k because 8 into 4 34, and oh sorry, again silly mistake, it will be 33. 38 minus 5 is 33. Yeah, 38k plus 1, it will be 8k plus 3, it will be 8k. So losing series, we have already written that it should be in the form of 8k plus 1 or 8k plus 2. Not possible, not possible. What is possible is this. So if there are 38 coins, and then Shreya, in Shreya's turn, she will pick 5, 32 coin is left, and no matter what Kushal do, Kushal is surely going to lose. So this specifically, these last two questions, I would say this is not about the understanding of the question, rather than to understand what the question is asking. So we have to focus on those aspects. So the answer is this one. Yeah. So we'll solve next one. In this question, let's again try to solve. So Kushal and Shreya were playing the game involving in picking the coin each in his turn, minimum of 2 and the maximum of 6. So I suppose the same question is there. So Kushal, Shreya, they have a limitation to pick between 2 and 6. Okay, let's just read more. Minimum of 2 and the maximum of 6, except when there is only one coin left, that in that case he has to pick up the coin. Great. The game continues till the last coin is removed from the table. Okay, assume both players play intelligently so as to win the game. Great. For question 4 and 5, assume that a player who picks up the last will win. So what actually changes as compared to the last question is, in 4 and 5, okay, these questions are belonging to last pick win. So the person who will pick the last coin will going to win. This is what the question is asking. Great, no issue. Let's read the 4 number. So question number 4 is saying, how many coins should Kushal pick up to ensure, okay, to some typing error is there. Pick up 2, this is not sure, this is insure. Just erase it. Yeah, how many coins should Kushal pick up to ensure his win if there are 900 coins on the table before his turn to play? Okay, so before he is starting to play there are 900 coins, and the question is how many coins he should pick. So it's a simple question. Again, how we should approach CF, we have to calculate. CF is what? 2 plus 6, this is 8. After CF, what is we have to choose? Losing series for loser. Losing series will look like 8k, and then 8k minus 1. So the question is he wants to pick how many, such that who is going to win? Kushal. So question is asking that Kushal pick up some coins and then bring the other girl Shreya on the losing series. Losing series is nothing but 8k or 8k minus 1. So let's find out nearest value from 900, which is in the form of 8k. So 800 is 100. Okay, then 80 is 10. After 80 is done, what is left? 20. So 20 is 2, 16, 112. So 112. So 8k minus 1. Okay, if k is 112, how much it will be? 100 into 8, 800. 800 plus 80, 896. 896, and it will be 895. So we know that either Kushal has to bring Shreya on 896 or 895. So if you want to bring 896, how many he has to take out? So Kushal needs to take 4. If he has to bring Shreya on 895, how many he has to take? 5. So either of 4 or 5 he can choose and defeat Shreya. Let's just see. 4 is there, 5 is there, 6 not possible, either 4 or 5. So answer of this question should be either 4 or 5. Moving to the next question. If the number of points Shreya picked up in her turn, so Shreya will pick in her turn to ensure her victory was 2. So Shreya in her turn picked 2. Okay, and she also ensured that she is going to win. Then which of the following could have been the number of coins on the table before her turn? So it's again simple question. What Shreya did? Shreya picked 2 and ensured her victory. So what actually Shreya did? Shreya picked 2 and bring the other guy Kushal on the losing series. That's how she can only win. So let's just try to understand how many coins were on the table. 49. Let's write the options. So the first option is 49, second is 67, third is 101, and is none of the above. So we'll see. So what Shreya did? Shreya picked her 2 coins. And then it will be 47, it will be 65, here it will be 99, and bring the person on the losing series. So this should be losing series. Let's see how it is. So it will be 8k minus 1. 8 into 6, 48. 48 minus 1 is 47, correct? This is 8k, 64 plus 1. It will be then again 80 plus 19. 18 plus 16 is 96. So 8k plus 3. So of all these 3, this is not losing series, this is not losing series, this is our losing series. So answer will be 49. 49 is the answer of this question. Okay, so till now we have solved how many questions? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 questions. Great. Now we will solve these questions. So this question is, there are 2 smart players, A and B. Great. A and B, 2 smart players playing a coin game in which they can pick 2, 3 or 4. So 2, 3 or 4, anything. So we can write it as from 2 to 4. Okay, so they have 684 coins and 684. Then let's make it 684 on the table. Table is square, sorry, rectangle. We got our 684 coins. Okay, and the player who picks the last coin will lose the game. So last pick lose. Last pick lose, this is also defined. A and B play alternatively and A plays the first move. So A will start. A will start the game. How many coins? How many coins should A pick first? So A will pick the pick the first so as to, so his win is independent of number of coins B picks in the first move. So which means only same thing. So how to approach this type of question? CF is what? 2 plus 4, 6. Last pick lose. So how do the losing series will look? Losing series will be 6k plus 1, 6k plus 2. Okay, so again same thing, 684 coins are there. Some coin will be taken by A and it will bring B in front of B. He will be on the losing series, that is nothing but 6k plus 1 or 6k plus 2. So what is the nearest value of this one? So 6k, I will see that this is 113. Okay, 113. So 113 into 6 is nothing but 684. So we cannot take 113. 112 into 6 will be 680. Oh, sorry, 684, right? 684. No, 684. Sorry, 114. 114 into 6 is 684. 678 is 113. Okay, so corresponding to this value it will be, losing series is what? 679. Here losing series will be 680. So how much A can pick? If A want to bring here B, like A want to bring B at 679, how much he should pick? He should pick 5. If you want to bring here, he can pick 4. So he can do anything like choose 4 or 5, but there is a limitation in the question that he can only choose between 2 to 4. So the answer of this question is 4. Okay, so now we'll solve the next question. So again in this question, again two players A and B. Let's just write down. A and B are playing game in which they can pick 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which means that they can pick between 3 to 7. Okay, they have 1733 coins and total coin is 1733. Total coins are there. The one who picks last will lose the game. Last pick lose. Last pick will lose the game. A and B playing alternatively and plays A and B playing alternatively and plays the first move. A picks X coin at the first. Find the sum of all possible value of X so that A can win the game. So again, the way we will approach this type of question, controlling factor CF will be 3 plus 7, that is 10. Losing series as this question is about, last one lose, so it will be, losing series will be 10k plus 1, 10k plus 2, 10k plus 3. Okay, so 1733. So as I can already say, if I look at this 1733 question, 1730 is the nearest one. If I need to choose, then I would say that 1730 is the nearest one among the all. So 1733, it can be written as 1730 plus 3, or this 1730 173 into 10 plus 3. So this number is already at the losing series. So no matter what the person will choose, he will surely going to lose. So the sum will be 0. Or if not, then we can take one example also. For example, let's verify. So if k is like 10k series na, let's just 10k plus 1 is the losing series, 10k plus 2 is the losing series, 10k plus 3 is the losing series. So if k is 172, so it will be 1721, 1722, and here will be 1723. So if we have, again let's come back to the same question, if we have 1733 coins, can we come back to this number? If we come back, how many coins we will need? We will need total of 12 coins, right? Yeah, we will need 12 coins. For this much, for this one we will need 11 coins. For this one we will need 10 coins, but already we have the restriction to choose only till 7 coins. So the answer of this question is 0. Why 0? Because the sum of all possible value of x, the possible value of x is nothing, so none of the above or 0, whatever we choose. Let's solve the next question in the same series. Two smart boys A and B are playing together in a coin game in which they can pick between 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So again the same question, A and B is playing and they can choose between 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 or 13. So indirectly we can choose between 7 till 13. They have 2440 coins. So let's just do 2440 coins on the table, and the player who picks the last will win the game. So now the conditions are changed. Last pick win. Okay, not lose, win. A and B play alternatively, and A plays the first move. A plays X coin at the first. Find the sum of all possible values, so it's A to the win. So again same approach. CF, what will be the CF? Minimum plus maximum, that is nothing but 20. Losing series, losing series will be in the 20k, 20k minus 1, 20k minus 2, 20k minus 3, 20k minus 4, 20k minus 5, 20k minus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. So till here it will be the losing series. So let's just try to find out nearest possible value. 2440. So as I can say that it is divisible by 20, so it will be 122. So it's already in the multiple of 20k na? Yeah, 122 into 20. So again the same thing, it's already in the losing series. So if it's in the losing series, we can't do anything. Sum of possible value here also will be the same as 0. There's no possible value, nothing he can pick and make sure that he will going to win. This is a good question.